Senator Bongbong Marcos is not optimistic about the passage of the law that will govern the proposed Bangsamoro region within the 15th Congress. He admits that time is running out, with most lawmakers expected to focus their attention on the coming national elections. Jade Miguel has more.
Senator Bongbong Marcos, the sponsor of Basic Law in the Bangsamoro region or BL-BAR, admitted that they already lack time for the passage of the controversial bill. At present, the Senate is still deliberating the measure on the floor. But Marcos reiterated that peace process must continue even when the next administration takes place.
The peace process must continue. Huwag natin titigilan. The peace process must continue. We must continue trying. We must find a solution to the violence and the fighting in the
The senator added that by January next year, it will be difficult for the Congress to observe a quorum because some of both chambers' members are running in the upcoming May 2016 elections. Meanwhile, Marcos said he is not to blame for the delay of its passage since he spent so much time and effort to study and improve the bill.
Basta dahil naubusan tayo ng oras. Simple lang naman yan eh. Dahil hindi simple na bill ito, makomplikado na bill ito, marami kami kailangan gawin para maging tama, maging maganda, para maging effective.
Due to this, the vice presidential candidate does not discount the possibility that it may affect his votes in Mindanao. Another thing lawmakers have to determine is if the BL-BAR is a bill of local application, which leaves them hanging if they can vote for the said measure. Marcos further denied allegations that he intently delayed the bill's passage that is expected to bring peace in Mindanao.
Yung mga nagsasabing we were not supportive, paulit-ulit ko nga sinasabi, kung gusto namin patayin yung basic law na yan, hindi namin ginalaw. Pag napasa na yan, ma-question sa Supreme Court, clearly unconstitutional eh. Kung gusto namin patayin yan, ganun namin gagawin. Pero hindi, importante ang peace process eh. Kailangan talagang trabahunin.
For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.